Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to make a simple graphical user interface using the Tkinter library. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It is a type of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators, as opposed to text-based interfaces, type comment labels, or text navigation. So far, we were making CL programs or command line programs where we operated them using terminal and command line interface. Tkinter is a standard GUI toolkit for Python. It is included with most Python installations, so you don't need to install anything extra to use it. Tkinter provides a set of tools for building desktop GUI applications in Python. Here are some important functions and classes in Tkinter. Tk, label, button, and entry. Tk is the main window of your application. You create an instance of this class to create the main window. The label widget is used to display text or images. It doesn't handle user inputs. The button widget is used to create buttons in the GUI. You can assign a callback function to be executed when the button is clicked. The entry widget is used to accept single-line text strings from the user. Frame, pack, grade, and place. The frame widget is used to organize other widgets. It acts as a container. The pack, grade, and place functions are geometry managers in Tkinter used to control the placement and layout of widgets in the GUI. The title, geometry, configure, and main loop are additional functions in the Tkinter library. The title method is used to set the title of the main application window. The geometry method is used to set the initial size and position of the main application window. In Tkinter, the configure method is used to modify the options or properties of a widget after it has been created. This method allows you to dynamically change various settings of a widget, such as its size, color, text, font, and other attributes. The main loop method runs an event loop, listening for events like key presses, mouse clicks, etc. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a new file, code GUI.py. Now I will code a simple graphical user interface. Import Tkinter as Tk, root equals to Tk dot capital Tk, root dot title inside parentheses and quotations, simple GUI example. Then root dot geometry inside parentheses and quotations 300 x 150. Frame equals to Tk dot frame inside parentheses root. Then frame dot pack inside parentheses pad y equals to 10. Pad means padding. Label equals to tk.label inside parentheses frame, comma, text equals to inside quotations enter your name, colon. Label dot pack inside parentheses pad y equals to 5. entry equals to tk dot entry inside parentheses frame. Then entry dot pack inside parentheses pad y equals to 5. Then define on underscore button underscore click open parentheses close parentheses colon name equals to entry dot gate open parentheses close parentheses, then label dot configure inside parentheses text equals to f string and inside quotations hello comma inside curly braces name and outside curly braces an exclamation mark. Button equals to tk dot button inside parentheses frame comma text equals to inside quotations submit comma command equals to on underscore button underscore click. Button dot pack inside parentheses pad y equals to 5, and at the end root dot main loop. Now I will explain this code. Import Tkinter as tk, imports the Tkinter module and aliases it as tk for easy reference. Root equals to tk dot capital TK open parentheses close parentheses creates the main application window using the Tkinter constructor and assigns it to the variable root. Root dot title inside quotations simple GUI example sets the title of the main window to simple GUI example. Frame equals to tk.frame inside parentheses root creates a frame widget that serves as a container for other widgets within the main window. Frame.pack inside parentheses pad y equals to 10 packs the frame inside the main window with some vertical padding of 10 pixels. Label equals to tk.label inside parentheses frame comma text equals to enter your name creates a label widget with the specified text inside the frame. Label.pack packs the label inside the frame with some vertical padding of 5 pixels. Entry equals to tk entry creates an entry widget or input field inside the frame for the user to enter text. Entry.pack packs the entry widget inside the frame with some vertical padding of 5 pixels. The function def on underscore button underscore click defines a function to handle the button click event. Name equals to entry.gate retrieves the text entered in the entry widget and assigns it to the name variable. Label.configure ... updates the text of the label dynamically to display a greeting message with the entered name. Button equals to tk.button frame comma text equals to inside quotations submit comma command equals to on underscore button underscore click creates a button widget with the specified text and calls the function when clicked. Button.pack packs the button inside the frame with some vertical padding of 5 pixels. Root.mainLoop enters the main event loop of the GUI application, allowing it to handle user interactions and window events. Now let me run this. Python GUI.py. You can see it opens or starts the GUI app. It has a title called Simple GUI Example. It has a label with the text currently displaying Enter your name. It has an entry and a button called Submit. Now if I type David in this entry and hit Submit, you can see it outputs Hello David. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.